Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Google Sheets not loading. If Google Sheets is not loading, the problem could be caused by your internet connection, app or browser, extensions, or temporary Google service issues. So to fix that, first is to check your internet connection. So open your phone settings, then go to Wi-Fi. So restart your Wi-Fi router or modem. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're using a mobile device. You can open another website to see if it loads. So, a weak or unstable internet connection can prevent Google Sheets from loading. Next is to force close Google Sheets. So, swipe it up and swipe it away, then reopen it and see if that works. Next, check if Google services are down. So, Google Sheets may not load if there's a temporary outage affecting Google Workspace services. So, wait until the service is restored if an outage is confirmed. Next is to update Google Sheets. So you can go to Play Store or App Store, then search for Google Sheet and install any available updates. So once updated, open it again and see if that solves the issue. Next is to restart your device. So restarting your computer, phone, or tablet can clear temporary system glitches affecting Google Sheets. You can also try to sign out and sign back in. So sign out of your Google account, then close the browser or the app, then sign back in, then open Google Sheets again and see if that works. And that's it. Thank you for watching.